Okay, what are your plans for today, Macy, since you just got out of school? Sleeping? That sounds really unfun, but I can tell you are tired.
Fun.
Yeah.
Fun.
Guess where we're at.
Fun.
I'm sorry. Guess where we're at.
Literally. Where you belong.
Macy! No! Okay, let's come on.
Oh my gosh, why is that scarecrow look like a freaking President?
Macy!
It looked like your face.
Oh, Macy, that is so rude. Hello?
Well, hello. That's your face.
Macy! We're so sorry.
What would you like today?
We're looking for a dog. We want a Yorkie.
Yeah, there's one in the top middle. And then we have 3 other dogs. We have one on the bottom right and then 2 on the top right.
Okay, Macy, let's come look.
I don't want nothing.
Well, what?
Well, actually, recently 2 of our dogs had died. That's totally not the 2 great out front.
Please do not tell my daughter that. She would go and.
It's really gonna be like something that you're gonna be burying soon. You're gonna be something I'm gonna be burying soon.
Okay, Macy, what are we thinking here? Okay, well, how much is it? Like,
$1,400.
oh, not a bad price, but still kind of expensive.
I can raise it up to $2,000 if you'd like.
No, that's okay. Okay, Macy, you sit there. I'm gonna go get the papers.
Okay, here, let me just get the paperwork from the doors.
Okay. So.
And here are the papers and a pen.
Okay, thank you.
And then And then would you be interested in any others?
I think we're. Oh no, we don't need a frog. I think we're good.
No, you need a frog. Oh wait, give me a second. Oh, just give me a second. I dropped my tip jar.
Oh, yeah. Macy, do you Okay, okay. Well, okay, I'll be right back. Macy.
Do you know the cemetery's outside? Dogs are actually buried there.
Don't tell my daughter that. So is this all we need?
Yeah, that's all you need plus your skulls.
Okay. Can you look through the papers and see if they're done?
Yeah, just give me a minute.
Jeez. Okay, Macy, we'll just sit here. Macy, you go do your thing, okay?
Let's just run away.
No, we can't do that. Just go do your thing.
Okay, well, that looked good enough.
Well, that's good.
So when would you like the dog?
Probably tomorrow. Hey, Macy. Hey, how about you go to the bathroom, okay?
No.
Macy, we don't want you going in the middle of the trip. Thank you. Macy.
Well, would you like a book to read or anything while we process the payment work?
So my daughter needs to stay in here. Macy, listen.
Would you like a book to read while we do the payment methods?
Okay, hi. So we would like it tomorrow. I don't want Macy to know. Hi, Macy. Hi.
Are we getting it tomorrow?
Thank you. No, here, let's just come over here.
That's a paper about all of the stuff about the dog and everything.
Do I have to read it before I get the dog?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Yes, you do.
Macy, we're gonna be here for like another. Just, how about you come read?
It's 500 pages. Girl, I will grab a wheelbarrow and... You have no wheelbarrow, child!
Don't
There's no wheelbarrow around here!
don't call
I'm
my
going to pick up this counter.
slam it into your face.
What a call. It's a free country.
Okay, well.
I read through every page in the single dictionary.
Okay, I'll be right
Also, did you read
back.
the book, child?
Okay, guys, so they're really loud, but they don't know that I'm getting the
You
dog.
read the book?
They don't.
You did.
So
Yes, you
Grace
did.
does not know about the dog. So does Macy. She doesn't know that we're
Yes,
getting.
you did.
Oh my gosh. Okay, never mind. Ma'am, you're very loud, and I do not like it.
You're the one loud. Also,
Okay.
your daughter won't take a free book.
Yeah,
Free book.
yeah. I need a book. So if anything,
You want a book? You want a book?
no.
You have a book, though. You have a book there.
I know. Macy, how about here? I'm gonna actually look at the pets. Is that okay? Or are you gonna?
Sounds great.
Or are you gonna stare at me and?
You want to look at dead pets outside and back?
No.
I do.
No, Macy, no.
Come on. Come on.
You are unallowed in this country.
Come on. You can't walk behind my own day.
Okay,
Come
well.
on, child. Let's go look at the dead pets.
Macy, no. Are you gonna take the paperwork off the counter, or are you too lazy to do that?
Oh, yeah, wait. I got to go through the payment methods. Give me a minute.
Oh my gosh, Macy, sit here. It's gonna here. Look at the pets or something. Look at the frogs. I don't care. Just look at something. What do you want? Okay, well, Macy, do you want my phone?
Got my own 14.
Macy, no, you don't. She wants the iPhone 14, but she's never gonna get it. So. Okay.
Okay, well, there we go. Papers are done.
Okay. Well, okay, Macy, we have to run some more errands and we'll go home.
Wait. Are you going to leave without a tip?
We have to go run errands.
Can I have a tip?
We need to go.
Can I have a tip?
No.
My tip. Give me a tip.
We're,
Give me a tip.
okay, well, she was very loud. We have to run to the grocery store first, but after that, Macy, I'm sorry. Okay, well, now that the cashier is gone,
Can I get tomorrow?
yeah, we get it tomorrow, yeah.
I heard that it was a secret.
Why would I lie to you?
I heard it through your phone.
You scare me. Why would I lie to you?
I heard it through your phone.
Okay, just come on. Yeah. I'm not grabbing a cart because I don't need one. Oh, they're decorating for fall. Oh, whoa. Lots of stuff. Macy. Macy? What? Oh. Okay, I'm going to let it slide. But you're in big trouble next time you do it. So this is your... Oh, here. I got to get some toilet paper. Why is there so much gift cards? No. Yeah, that's okay. Maisie, what is that noise?
Oh, it's the person that we're buying the pet from.
What?
I hear her.
Okay, well, I'm going to get some watermelon, and I'm going to get some bananas, and I'm going to get... Okay, well... Wait, where is she? Oh my gosh! Macy. Okay, Macy, we gotta go. Here, just put it in the wheelbarrow. Let's go. Come on. How did you even get here? Come on, run. Get in, Macy. We're never coming to your store again. Macy, this is when you leave, okay? Okay, so now that we lost her, I'm gonna go get gas real fast for the car. Macy? Okay, well, I think we got her. I'm swerving off the road because I'm scared and I need to get gas. But, yeah, so, yeah, I guess I will see you guys later.